Hey gang, Puppy here. It's 8:01 p.m. October 24th, 2019. Just a handful of minutes ago we got that booty call from PG&E saying within 36 to 48 hours we're going to turn off your electricity. Check your generator, make sure it's working. Give me a generator so I can check it and make sure it's working. I've been thinking, just recently, the U.S. Supreme Court said that companies, corporations, business entities are persons, not a group of people. PG&E is a person. That was so that rich people who have a lot of stock in a company can manipulate it so that the company gives a lot of money to their favorite piece of crap politician violating campaign finance laws. But oh, wait a minute, the Supreme Court said they could do it because they're people. Well, guess what? There's another benefit to being a person. PG&E can now be put to death for murder. Yeah! Let's start with the little 5-year-old boy who burnt to death 2 or 3 years ago because the fire that got started because PG&E's wires hadn't had the trees trimmed from around them. Half of California burned, including the little kid. It's time to start punishing companies the way people get punished. And I'm not talking rich people. I'm not talking famous people. I'm talking the way Joe douchebag walking down the street and he takes a spit. Next thing you know, he's doing a life for spitting on the sidewalk. Time to start doing that to companies. Johnson & Johnson? Band-Aid brand no longer enters this house. Curad never tried to poison me. Yeah. Maybe we should lapidate. Oh, I don't know. How about Standard Oil? Dig a pit, throw Standard Oil in it, and throw rocks at it till it dies.